Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Following that, tap on App Permissions and decide which feature you wish to manage. In my case, camera. Following that, tap on one of your apps, like for example Chrome, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can set Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature to look for an app that you wish to manage. For example, I will access Location to manage my Facebook. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Facebook Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!